Hello friends. In previous video, we studied the methods of preparation of alkyl halides by using alcohols and halogen acids. In that video, we study the preparation of alkyl chloride by using alcohol and HCl, preparation of alkyl bromide by using alcohol and HBr, preparation of alkyl iodide by using alcohol and HI. Now, in this video, we discuss the next methods of preparation of alkyl halides by using alcohol and phosphorus halides, that is PX3 and PX5, and the last method by using alcohol and thionyl chloride. The next method is that preparation of alkyl halides by using alcohol and phosphorus halides. There are two types of phosphorus halides. First is phosphorus trihalide, in which they includes PCl3, PBr3 and PI3. Among these three, only PCl3 is stable and PBr3 and PI3 are less stable or unstable. The next type of phosphorus halides is phosphorus pentahalides. These type of phosphorus halide only include or having a stable phosphorus pentahalide is PCl5, and both PBr5 and PI5 both are does not exist. They are not existed. Hence, here we only use to prepare alkyl chloride by using PCl5. Now, the first method is that preparation of alkyl halides by using phosphorus trihalides, that is PCl3, PBr3 and PI3. The first phosphorus trihalide is PCl3. When alcohols are heated with PCl3, they gives alkyl chlorides and phosphorus acid, that is H3PO3, as a byproduct. This is the statement of reaction. Now, we take general reaction for better understanding. 3 moles of alcohols reacts with PCl3 and we just reflux both. They produce 3 moles of alkyl chloride and phosphorus acid as byproduct. This is general reaction of preparation of alkyl chloride by using alcohols and phosphorus trichloride. Take another reaction. We take another reaction, that is when 3 moles of methyl alcohol or methanol reflux with PCl3, it produces 3 moles of alkyl chloride and the byproduct usually, that is phosphorus acid, and the product we obtain is methyl chloride or chloromethane. You should take the example for homework. Here this is the alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol or propanediol, and these 3 moles of propanediol reacts with PCl3 or reflux with PCl3, and which type of product we get, you should write the product. Now we go to the second type of preparation, that is preparation of alkyl bromide by using alcohols and phosphorus tribromide. Now see the statement: when alcohols are treated with PBr3, it produces alkyl bromides. Here we already see that PBr3 is less stable or unstable. Hence, it is must to produce PBr3 during the reaction or reaction as proceed. Means PBr3 is produced in situ by using the reactants red phosphorus and bromine. The preparation of PBr3, we can be write the chemical equation for this preparation as given follow: red phosphorus reacts with bromine, and that gives PBr3. And when this PBr3, which is produced during the reaction or produced in situ, that reacts with alcohols, 3 moles of alcohols, then they gives a product alkyl bromide, 3 moles of alkyl bromide, and the byproduct as usual phosphorus acid. Now we should take the reaction when 3 moles of ethyl alcohol or ethanol reacts with PBr3, which is produced during chemical reaction, they produce 3 moles of ethyl bromide and phosphorus acid. The next example is for homework. When 3 moles of N-propyl alcohol treated with PBr3, then which type of product we should get? We should be solve this reaction. Now Turns to the next preparation of alkyl iodide by using alcohols and phosphorus triiodide. When alcohols are treated with Pi3, it gives alkyl iodide. Here the Pi3 required. This is also unstable because of this it produces in C2 by using red phosphorus and iodine. It is quite similar to the preparation of phosphorus tribromide. Let us see the how phosphorus triiodide prepared by using red phosphorus and iodine. This red phosphorus, when reacts with iodine, it produces phosphorus triiodide during the reaction, and when this phosphorus triiodide reacts with alcohol, produce alkyl iodide. See the general reaction that I write. 3 moles of alcohols reacts with Pi3, which produce during chemical reaction by using red phosphorus and iodine, and when both gets completely reacted, they produce alkyl iodide as product, and the byproduct, usually we know about this byproduct, that is phosphorus acid. Turns toward the example. When 3 moles of N-butyl alcohol gets refluxed or reacts with phosphorus triiodide, then they produce 3 moles of N-butyl iodide. And the byproduct is phosphorus acid. Now, example for homework. When 3 moles of this tertiary butyl alcohol reacts with Pi3, which type of product that produce? You should write here and solve it. Now again turns towards the next method of preparation, that is preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol and phosphorus pentahalide. We already see at the starting of this video there may be 3 types of phosphorus pentahalide, or there should be 3 types of phosphorus pentahalides, that is PCl5, PBr5 and Pi5. But among all these 3, PBr5 and Pi5 does not exist. Only PCl5 is stable and exists. Hence, by this method we should prepare only alkyl chloride, not alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. Among all PX5, only PCl5 exists and stable, while PBr5 and PI5 does not exist. Hence, by using only PCl5, we prepared alkyl chlorides. The general reaction for this preparation should be written like alcohol only 1 mole reacts with PCl5 or reflux with PCl5, they produce alkyl chloride. And they also produce byproducts HCl and POCl3. Now take the example when ethyl alcohol or ethanol reacts with PCl5, it gives ethyl chloride or chloroethane. For homework, you should take any examples previously which we take the many alcohols for reaction. We select one alcohol from that examples and rewrite the reaction for that alcohol. Now we go to the last preparation method of alkyl halides, that is preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol and thionyl chloride. By using this method, we only produce alkyl chlorides. Here, the statement is like that: when alcohols reacts with thionyl chloride, it gives a product alkyl chloride. This reaction takes place in the presence of base pyridine. First, we write the general reaction and see the example how reaction followed, and after that we study or we learn the other aspect. The general reaction should be written like this: alcohols, any alcohol reacts with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine, that produce alkyl chloride. And it produces a byproduct HCl, which is gaseous, and the other byproduct, that is SO2, sulfur dioxide, it is also gaseous. Means there are two gaseous byproduct. Remember it is important. We take the example when N-propyl alcohol or propane 1-all treated with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine, it gives a product N-propyl chloride, and also produce a byproduct, gaseous byproducts HCl and SO2. This is a product N-propyl chloride. Here in this reaction there are two byproducts formed and both are obtained in gaseous phase. Hence there is no need of any extra effort for the separation of alkyl chloride from these byproducts. It is very easy, quite easy to separate both alkyl chlorides and byproducts because byproducts are gaseous and they easily expel out from the reaction mixture. Hence this method is most preferred method for the preparation of alkyl chloride, and this method, that is preparation of alkyl chlorides by using thionyl chloride and alcohol, called as Darzan's reaction. Darzan's reaction. It must be noted that what is the name of this reaction, that is Darzan's reaction. Now